Devil's Tower in Wyoming is a striking natural wonder that rises 867 feet above the surrounding plains. Its massive, flat-topped structure is composed of volcanic rock columns, making it look almost otherworldly. While scientists agree it was formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago, the exact process behind its creation remains unclear. Native American legends describe it as a sacred place where a giant bear clawed at the rock while chasing children. Today, Devil's Tower continues to inspire climbers, geologists, and storytellers alike.